Alright broskies, welcome to the adventure. I'm not gonna put too much time into introduction. The premise is simple. I have no brakes whatsoever and we're gonna try to ride this thing into a workshop. So all the hydraulic fluid has run out. So test number one, do I still have the foot brake? So we still have the foot brake. That's nice. That's the hand brake that you can press with your foot. So we're not exactly brakeless, which means if I go really slowly, release the handbrake, I released it. Yep. Then we should be fine. There's a way to stop, but obviously I won't be able to stop off high speed with this. Eventually I'll stop. So I think I can control the gears now because the electronics are fixed. So I'll keep it in manual mode. Let's see. And off we go with no brakes. And there's a first test here. Fuck, I have to practice. Okay, practice putting my foot on the parking brake. Yeah, that's the mission today. So we're in neutral. Let this car go, boom. So I gotta I gotta just follow the road so that I wouldn't be in a situation where I have to brake. I have two ways that I can take, but I think I'm gonna take the way with less intersections. I think that's a reasonable thing to do. So I'm not going to put on the hazards if I don't really need to. So at the moment it's clear from behind. This is a roundabout, so this is a bit of a bad time. So I'm gonna add a little brake. No, not necessary. We can go. Now we're on the roundabout. That means we have the right of way. That's good. I can roll with that. Now we have to go off the roundabout. I would like to really test the car, but now without brakes. So next intersection we have the right of way because it's flashing yellow and we're on the, how to say, the main road. Yeah, I think everybody sees me coming. The car behind there too, we're good. So the next one is still regulated by lights. So I'm just gonna take it easy. We're doing 45 kilometers per hour. I don't think we're gonna go faster, and I'm gonna switch to neutral here. We're gonna roll it out to the traffic lights. So yeah, nothing, I mean, it's late. I think it's past 10 p.m. on Wednesday. So I guess it's like doable in such conditions. Yeah, we can just nicely roll out the momentum. Otherwise I wouldn't be trying it during the daytime. I think that would be too risky. I'm sure I could do it. I mean, I can do anything, but yeah, I think it's if there's any time, any right time to drive without brakes, then it's yeah, more towards midnight. Obviously I didn't want to come like 2 a.m. It would have been a bit too much of a pain in the ass, but here we are a bit earlier. Yeah, I mean, we're cruising on nicely, no problem. Luckily this car has this kind of foot parking brake solution. Otherwise we would be screwed if it would be a button. I don't know if the button engages on speed, because if it's electronic, then it can have all sorts of electronic, let's say, what's the word now, English? Basically electronics can stop it from engaging, is what I mean. Safety functions. So it's really nice that this car has a manual parking brake. It's really useful to me at the moment. So we're nearing an intersection. I'm gonna go down into second, and I'm just gonna take it real slow. Let's see what's the situation. There's a car coming off to the left, and there's a pedestrian. Yeah, we can slow the car down nicely with the parking brake, no problem. Now I can scan the road. Okay, there's cars coming, so I'm just gonna wait for the suitable moment. Just engage the parking brake ever so slowly. I'm not trying to wear it out. Okay, now we have cars coming from the left. The right is clear. I'm just gonna wait it out. I mean, better safe than sorry with this shit. There's like 2.6 tons of this Touareg. I don't know how many pounds it is, 5,000 pounds? Whatever it is in pounds. So I'm not gonna fuck around. Okay, let's see, right hand is clear. We got competition, let's out drag them. Fuck your little tiny engined diesel thing. Okay, and we even beat the competition, that's very important. Okay, this is a pedestrian threat area, but since it's late, no one's out. Okay, and there goes 2 peds, but I think we're gonna be fine. We're gonna go across the, yeah, they're not, okay, one guy is coming this way, but we're long gone. We're long gone before he gets here. Make sure that the parking brake doesn't stay on, it wants to stay on. And we're good here, yeah. Yeah, I mean, this is, the tough part is over. This should be easy now, because this is like an industrial office type of area, so there shouldn't be any pets here lurking around. Okay, this has gone way smoother than I expected. Saved me a few euros for towing. Eager to try how this car drives, but I mean, we cool at the moment. Let's just wait. They're gonna fix the brake line tomorrow morning, so can try this tomorrow. I just hope that that another brake line won't break. But yeah, we're cruising along here, 45 kilometers per hour, even almost doing the speed limit. Let's see. I'm gonna give it a little welly. Ooh, it has nice torque. But now we're screwed if Popo comes. We're doing 65. Don't arrest me. Now we're doing 55 again. Okay, now we're cool. 50. Yeah, you gotta play around. I mean, life is short. Play hard. I had to accelerate there. But we are making good progress here. We have a left turn and a right turn, and we're good. So we gotta time this turn a little. There's some car coming eventually, so I'm gonna take it real slow here. Oh fuck, this guy wants to overtake me anyway. Yeah, okay, whatever. I mean, sorry boss. Yeah, he's gonna, yeah, go over the gravel. It makes perfect sense. What's the likelihood that there's like some piece of shit that you can puncture a tire on? Yeah, fuck that. So this is like the second to last major turn. This is already a side street. So yeah, we did it more or less. Really unpleasant to be in this car because the blower motor, I don't know if it's completely screwed. It can be some sort of a solenoid thing, because it starts working and then it just stops working. It's on high, full blast, and it's not doing anything. So it's like plus 4 degrees outside, so your fingertips, it's not the nicest to sit here at the moment. But I mean, if you were interested whether or not you can drive a 2005 Volkswagen Touareg with no brakes, then you can, if you choose the right time and you're reasonable with your drivings. So it's just limping in here. We gotta go right from here. Some parking brake lights are coming on, but I don't think they're working. They shouldn't be. Only car that parking brakes have miraculous parking sensors. Only car that parking sensors have miraculously healed themselves has been the A8 I have at the moment. They didn't work. They didn't work in the beginning, but they started working like 1.5 years in or something like that. But usually German cars from this period, if the parking sensors aren't working, then they won't like start working all of a sudden. Usually it's enough if one's out, then the system is like, no, not gonna work. But yeah, I did it. I don't think any sudden surprises should be waiting us here. Yeah, we can't park in front of the shop. Yeah, I don't need that anyway. There's a parking area back there which I can park to. Booyah! 10 minutes. So it wasn't even that bad. I'm just gonna plop the car in, and that's mission complete. Let's see. Where are we gonna park? I'm just gonna park somewhere down. So if anyone has any interest in the cars anywhere here, then I'm not the one blocking them. Just gonna hit the brake. Ooh, the brakes kind of work. Yeah, I'm hitting the brake pedal and they're braking a bit. So that's nice. Yeah, should have tried it earlier, but I guess we did it. Let's park behind this other Touareg. This peasant V6 TDI Touareg. So okay, now we need some precision driving here. I wouldn't want to now roll into this Touareg here. So just hit the brake a little, give it an ever so slightly nudge of momentum. Again, just a nudge of momentum. Okay. We're a bit far away. Shit, boy. Let's go to neutral. I'm gonna release the parking brake. I'm gonna... Okay, I'm not gonna fuck around. I'm not in anyone's way here. Just gonna, yes, just leave it like this. We made it. So there's that. A drive without brakes through nighttime city. I mean, who the fuck should watch this? But maybe I'll upload it. So, and if you watch this, then thanks for watching. Peace. I'm gonna go home. It's late.